Do you qualify to become a New York State Court Officer? 6 requirements, and one thing about them that almost nobody realizes, which is where I want to start, because it changes what you should do this year. Age. This is the single most asked question about this job, and the court system answers it in one sentence. Quote, "While there is no age restriction to take the examination, keep in mind that a candidate must be at least 20.5 years old at time of appointment to the position." So, 20 and a half is real, but it is a hiring requirement, not a testing one. If you are 19 right now, you can sit this exam. Given that results land around spring 2027, and people are then called off the list in rank order over several years, you will very likely be old enough long before your name comes up. And on a maximum age, the announcement and the FAQ state the 20 and a half minimum and say nothing about an upper limit. I am not going to turn that silence into a fact for you. If an upper age limit matters to your situation, ask the court system, not a prep channel. Here are all 6, at least 20.5 years old. A United States citizen, a New York State resident, a high school graduate or the equivalent, no college degree required, a valid New York State driver's license, and legally eligible to purchase and carry firearms because court officers are peace officers who carry. One footnote, the FAQ still lists COVID vaccination, with its own note that the mandate was lifted in February 2023. So it is not a current requirement, but you will see it on the page. And this is the part worth repeating because it is where people talk themselves out of applying. Every one of those 6 has to be met by the time of hiring, not by exam day, not by the filing deadline, by hiring, which, on this timeline, is years away. If you do get reached, screening wants originals and copies, birth certificate or passport, social security card, high school diploma, college transcript if you have one, your license and registration. And the one that catches people out, lifetime driving abstracts from every state you have ever been licensed in. Start collecting that early if you have moved around. So the whole route, end to end. You sit the exam, no age restriction. You get a score about 6 months later. You go on one statewide list, ranked strictly by that score. You get canvassed in rank order as vacancies open. You pass physical, medical, psychological, and background screening. And then, meeting all 6 requirements, you go to the academy. There is no other route in. Which means qualifying is the easy part. Everyone on that list met the same 6 requirements. What separates them is the exam score, because the score is the rank and the rank is the weight. The exam is 45-857, tested August to October 2026, and free practice for all 5 sections is at dutyrank.com. DutyRank is an independent study product and is not affiliated with the New York State Unified Court System.